Hi friends, today we are going to read Ful and Less, and Ness. What is a suffix? This book is one of our words or categorical books, and it's written by Brian P. Cleary, and it's illustrated by Martin Ganau. Ful and Less, and Ness. What is a suffix? Suffix. A word part added to the end of a word or root to change its meaning. Ful and less, and ness. What is a suffix? Now remember, in our words or categorical books, whenever you see a word that is in color, not black, it is because it's an example of our type of word. So today we're looking for suffixes, and this time we punch it up even more. So this word tact, the ED is bold in the color because that's the actual suffix on the word, since suffixes are word parts. For example, farm there's your the suffix. Suffixes are word parts that are tacked onto a word. You'll find a suffix at the end of farmer and preferred. The ER part of farmer speaks of someone who is doing, like the baker who is baking, or the viewer who is viewing. Names of jobs might end this way for certain words like teacher, painter, teacher, banker, skater, speaker, driver, waiter, preacher. Painter, skater, baker, waiter, speaker, driver, preacher. Teacher. The root word is the main word, as in paint or skate or teach. The suffix is the letters that we see in back of each. Both ed and ing are suffixes you'll find in words like danced and dancing, designing, and designed. tion as a suffix adds onto an action. You'll find it in deletion, celebration, and subtraction. Ous means full of. It's a suffix that can tell us if people are harmonious or dangerous or zealous. So dangerous means full of danger. Famous means full of fame. Ful means full of too, like powerful or truthful, colorful or painful, also beautiful and youthful. When ly is the suffix, it typically will tell the way an action happens, as in quickly, loudly yell. Suffixes might tell us that a thing or a person's able, like good thing that's erasable, she's writing on the table. Ness often shows a certain quality, like awkwardness and happiness and kindness, to name 3. Suffixes are all around. Just look and you will see. Words like Jewish, backward, bluish, fastest, slippery, hairy, scary, voluntary, neighborhood, advisement, fearless, tearless, painful, ouch, creation, advertisement. Knowing lots of these can build an excellent foundation and play a larger role in your amazing education. So, what is a suffix? Do you know? I'm going to try to get my camera a little closer so you can see this chart, because these are some suffixes. It's not all of them, but it's the most often used ones, and these help us understand a lot of words and punch up for your vocabulary. Able means able to be, like doable. Al is relating to, having to do with, like herbal. Ary, of or relating to, secondary. Ed, past tense, transported. A person who does an action, developer, reader. Could also mean more, like browner, faster, est, most, like greatest, ful, full of, useful, delightful, hood, state, quality, or condition, childhood, ing, action, singing, ish, like or relating to, greenish, foolish, ist, a person who does an action, artist, ize, to cause or become, categorize, fantasize, less, without, fearless, ly, in a certain way, coldly, hungrily, ment is an action, like movement, ness is a state or quality, shyness, ous, full of, disastrous, s means plural, more than one of, dolphins, sion, state or quality, confusion, tion, state or quality, complication, y, made up of, characterized by, cheery. You'll notice that all of these suffixes have the dash before it, and that's because they come at the end of the word. So this dash is showing you the word would go here, or the root, and then this goes to connect to the back of the word. All right, and that was full and less, and ness. What is a suffix?